Hey guys, I just took this abandoned cardinal nest out of my dwarf lilacs, and I thought maybe I'd take it apart and see what it was made of. There was an egg in there that did not hatch. I left it there for 2 or 3 weeks, but it looks like it eventually did break. And there's a little roly-poly in there eating out what was left. Actually, there's lots of little roly-polies all over on my towel, because I did have it on the ground for a couple of days. But I'm just always intrigued by what they use to build their nests. And it looks like they use some trash. So I guess what they say is true. One's trash is another one's treasure. But let's just peel off the layers and see what all they used. This is actually kind of interesting. Several pieces of just what look like plastic, some little pieces of tape. Plastic again. More plastic. More plastic. This actually is bark from my river birch tree. More bark. More plastic. That's about it. That's about it. So, let's take a look at the contents. We have plastic from multiple sources. I guess maybe in the future I won't have to be so meticulous about picking up the plastic in my yard as long as I have a cardinal or two around. And you can see all the little roly-polies. Just take a look at the little ones there. Look at all those little guys. But yeah, anyway, that's the cardinal's nest taken apart. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day.